Yeah, let's continue. In this session, as part of DBT for Snowflake real-time project, let's implement silver layer using DBT. In this silver layer, we are going to implement these rules. Okay? So first, what we are going to do, we are going to write transformations to remove cancel orders, to remove returned orders, to remove records without customer ID, to remove records without product ID, remove records without order date, and calculate discount, calculate tax, calculate net amount, create orders category. These are the things we are going to implement as part of silver layer. So create a silver underscore orders dot SQL. So go to silver layer. So we completed bronze layer. Now let's under silver layer create a new file, SQL file. In this SQL file, let's implement let's implement this silver layer logic field. So I'm writing this logic. So let me take this code. This we already implemented. This we already implemented in Snowflake SQL. Same thing we are trying to achieve. We are trying to achieve using DBT. So select order ID, customer ID, product ID, order date, amount, status, load timestamp from branch underscore orders, where status not cancelled, returned, were not in. So, so remove cancel orders, remove return orders. We are writing condition. Status not equal to cancel and return. And customer ID not null. Customer ID not null, product ID not null, and without order date. So we are checking these three. And then calculated data. In this, what we are doing, we are discount date, we are rounding. Okay. Next, we are calculating tax amount. We are calculating net amount, and then we are checking amount greater than 700. We are giving premium. So we are checking tax amount, net amount, and order category. Which category? So we are implementing all this. Then once it is completed, now let's run this SQL file. So dbt run select silver underscore orders. Let's copy this one. Let's run this one in terminal, new terminal. Let's run cd retail orders.dbt. Let's run this one. dbt run select silver underscore orders. 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 We are getting one error. It's 68th position. Same. 1 minute. Let me reserve. Yeah, I removed final semicolon and then I am removing same code once again. Yeah, it is working successfully. Now let's verify in Snowflake. Let's go to verify. Let's go to workspaces. So let's go to search this table. So silver underscore orders. Select star from silver DB dot silver schema dot silver underscore orders. Then you can see silver underscore orders is calculated. Okay. So similar way, let's start. Select star from gold underscore DB dot gold underscore schema dot gold underscore orders. Let's execute. There is no table with this gold underscore orders, right? So later, once we complete the gold underscore order implementation, we are going to see final table. Okay. So you understand this silver underscore orders.sql file. Okay.